Hello to everyone watching the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream Direct. I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi. This game has new characters which you can customize and interact with. Oh, what is a new, you ask?
This is a new. What kind of dream life awaits you in this new Tomodachi Life game? Please take a look.
The residents on this island are called new characters. And you'll be the one creating them. What if you, your family, and your friends live here? How about someone you really admire? Yep, in Tomodachi Life Living the Dream, your experience can differ based on the needs you create as residents. Let's see how you could be living the dream. We'll begin by creating the first resident. There are two main ways to make residents. You could start by answering questions about their facial features, or by creating each part individually. We'll go with the second option, from scratch. Let's try creating a college student. She'll appear as a character throughout the direct. From face types to hairstyles, eyes, and more. There are so many parts, including ones unique to this game. You can even choose the shape of ears. After you've created them, you can adjust their height and body type.